Alright, I was watching a paranormal show and it was like, what the fuck, dude? If I was showing this to people as ghosts or demons, I would be hailed for being able to catch Class A EVPs 24 hours a day. So that gave me an idea. And what I did was I went around with a recorder and very facetiously and sarcastically went around talking to ghosts, and I had my own EVP session. And I got a lot, but we're going to go through what I call the best of for this week. And I think I'm going to do this all the time and start a series of Lookoutfa Charlie's best of electronic voice phenomenon, because it is electronic voice phenomenon, but it's not fucking ghosts. They're talking about evidence, surveillance, sort of law enforcement things. They talk about Nazis a lot. So, at one point, I even ask if you're in the United States, or if are you an Israeli or a Mossad agent, stuff like that, just having fun. And I ask if you're haunting me and how many agents it takes to haunt a house and shit like that, just having fun. Trolling, if you will. So, I'm going to go through some stuff. I'm going to play it, and we're going to go back, and I'm going to show you what's up. If you're listening, and you want to really listen to this, hook up to good speakers. I've said this a million times, going to say it again. Hook up to good speakers or good headphones. Don't use your phone speaker or some crap, and don't say I don't hear anything, because it's there. And if you use like real headphones or real speakers, you're going to hear it. It's there. So we're going to start with this one, and then I'll explain it, and we'll go through it again. Ready? Here we go.
Are you haunting me? Yes or no?
Now this one's awesome, because I say, are you haunting me? Yes or no? We'll listen to that part again.
Are you haunting me? Yes or no?
Okay, that part's obvious, and there's little spurts of voice in there, but the best part is right here. And this is what I was saying before. You have to use a program where you can stop on the wave, not just some crappy phone where you're sliding around on a slider or whatever. You have to be able to stop on the wave and play it over and over. So right here it says, what the fuck is he doing? What the fuck is he doing? Play it over and over. Alright, pretty cool. EVPs, Class A. Alright, here we go. This one is kind of hard to hear, but we'll go through it anyway.
Am I an asshole? I'm a nice guy.
It says, it said, am I an asshole or a nice guy? Just being a dick. And it says, you are an asshole in the beginning. Okay, now we're going to move on. Oh, I should explain this real quick. I laid down for a little bit, and I was pretending to sleep, but every 5 minutes or so I would make a sarcastic statement.
You wanna come over here and suck my jag on?
Okay, if you don't know, that's from South Park. But, right there, it says, he didn't fall asleep, sort of a whisper. He didn't fall asleep. Alright, moving on. Now this one is one of my favorites. I say, let's go through it.
Yes or no?
Okay. I say, I ask a question, and then here I say yes or no. Then it sounds like a quick voice says yes. Now let's go to this part right here. It says, we've been pounding him. Then the best part is right here. It says, let's try as a demon. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's move on. I say here, let's go through it.
Who works for Black Cube?
Okay, I say, who works for Black Cube? You know, the intelligence firm that Harvey Weinstein hired, that's mostly ex-Mossad agents. I just asked that being sarcastic. Well, let's move on.
Who works for Black Cube?
It says here, how much does he know? How much does he know? Pretty cool, pretty cool. The best of. Now this one is interesting. It says, a lot of evidence. A lot of evidence. See that? A lot of evidence. Ghosts and demons are interested in evidence. Right? Okay, Class A EVPs, moving on. Best of. I ask here, how many government contractors does it take to haunt a house?
How many government contractors does it take to haunt a house?
It says, I ask again, how many government contractors does it take to haunt a house?
How many government contractors does it take to haunt a house?
And it says, it takes all of them. Or all of us. It takes all of us. Now, this one is especially interesting. I wasn't asking a question here. It was just kind of in there. It says, well, let's listen to it quickly. Okay, it says, you live in government territory. You live in government territory. Okay. Then it says, open kill policy. Interesting EVP. Okay, now here I ask if you're in the United States or Israel, and then I get a response.
Are you in the United States or Israel?
Now, interesting. It responds here, but I'm not sure what it says. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. But here it says, I'm out of the country. I'm out of the country. I'm out country. Now, isn't that cool? Class A EVPs. Share them with your friends. Spook them out. Moving on. Now, this one is awesome. I love it.
Did ghosts like the Rolling Stones or the Beatles? It's going to get this special one.
Here I ask, facetiously, if ghosts like the Rolling Stones or the Beatles.
If ghosts like the Rolling Stones or the Beatles.
And here it says, I'm so scared of this guy recording. I'm so scared of this guy recording. Then I say something like having another question, and then here it says he's recording. Interesting, right? Okay, this is the last one, and even though it's hard to hear, it's one of my favorites. It says, this motherfucker's making fun of us. This motherfucker. This motherfucker. This motherfucker's making fun of us. Making fun of us. So, alright, that's it. This is Lookout for Charlie's Valentine's Day. Best of EVPs for the week, we'll call it. Episode 1. Stay tuned.